Hello children, welcome to CA session. Students, today we will continue the same chapter 2 number system and introduction. Students, today we will learn to convert decimal number to binary and binary to decimal number system. Now students, we will learn converting a decimal number system to binary number system. Okay, if we have a number that we understand numbers, all the numbers from 0 to any number we understand. Okay, but binary number systems only understand 2 digits, 0 or 1, 2 bits. Okay, so we have to convert 25 into bits. That means binary language. Okay, that means combination of 0 and 1. So here students, to convert decimal to binary, we have to divide by 2. You know very well, the base is 2. In binary number system, there is base 2. That means we have to divide by 2. So what we have to do in octal and hexadecimal? In octal, base is 8. We have to divide by 8. And in hexadecimal, base is 16. So there we have to divide by 16. Okay. So here we have to learn only this. To convert decimal number system to binary number system. So we have to divide by 2. Okay. So if we divide by 2, so what is the remainder? 25. 2 12 is 24. So remainder is 1. Okay. So we have to write the quotient here and we have to write the remainder here. So now again we have to divide by 2. Okay. Until we get 0 in the end, we have to divide it by 2. Okay. So 2, how many times? You can see 12. 2 6 are 12. The remainder is 0. You can see 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 0. So 6 we have to write here and remainder we have to write here. Got it? Now again we have to divide by 2. So 2, how many times? 2, 3s are 6, remainder 0. Okay, so write quotient here, 3, remainder 0 here. Okay, the same we have to repeat, divide by 2. Now next, 2 and 3 here. So 2 ones are is 2 and the remainder is 1. Okay. So here we have to write 1 and remainder we have to write 1. Got it? You have all these are quotients, all these are remainders. Now again we have to divide 1 by 2. As I said, we want 0 in the last always. So we have to again divide it. 2 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1. This is the common step is followed in all binary number systems. Okay, if we convert decimal to binary, this is the last step we have to do in all the divisions. Okay, so how it is possible? We can see if we are dividing 1 by 2. If we have to divide 1 by 2, then what we have to do? See, 2 ones are 2 is the largest number. So here we will use 2 zeros are 0. Okay, so 2 zeros are is 0 and then after subtracting we get remainder 1. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to write 0 quotient here and we have to write remainder 1 here. Okay, now what is the answer? How to represent the answer? We have to read it the bottom up. Okay, we have to read it bottom up. So this is the answer. How to write it? If we are converting 25, that is of base 10. You know very well, base 10 means decimal number system. 25 is decimal number system that we understand and we have to convert it into the binary language that computer understands. So here students, you have to write the answer. The answer is 11001. Okay, we have to go bottom up. So 110 0 and 1 and 1. So here it is base 2. Okay, whenever we convert decimal to binary, in decimal we have to write base 10. Here in binary we have to write answer and then we have to write base 2. That means this is a binary number system. I hope you understood this. So now students, we will do another example, that is a bigger number. You can see it is 156. So let's see how to convert this decimal number system into the binary number system. So as there is base 2 in binary number system, we have to always divide it by 2. Okay. So divide by 2, then 2.56. Okay. Divide by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Remainder 1. And then you have to bring it here. 6. 2 eights are 16. It is completely divisible. Remainder is 0. So you have to write 78 here and then remainder 0. 78 we have to divide by 2. 78 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. Remainder 1. 8. 2 nines are 18. Again completely divisible. So we have to write 39 here and remainder 0 here. Then again we have to divide 39 by 2. 39 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 and 9 here. Then 2 nines are 18. Remainder is 1. So here 19 and remainder 1. Now again divide by 2. Divide 9 by 2. Okay, so write 2 here. 2 fours is 8. Remainder 1. 2 fours are 8. Remainder 1. Again 2. 2, 4. Okay, 2 twos are 4. Remainder 0. So here quotient 2 and remainder 0. Now we have to divide 2 by 2. So 2 ones is 2, remainder 0. So quotient we have to write here. Okay, and remainder we have to write here. Now again I said the last step, 1 you have to divide by 2 and you have to write 0. That means you have to divide 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 is not possible. We have to use 2 zeros are 0 and remainder is 1. Okay, so you have to bring 0 in the last. So write 2 here, 0 quotient here, remainder 1 here. Now how we have to write the answer? The bottom up. So when we see the bottom up, the answer is 100111100. So 156 base 10 equals to, write the answer, 1 0 0 1 1 1 and 0 0 and base 2. So this is decimal number system 156, and how computer understands the binary number system, that is 100111100. This is 156 that is used inside the CPU for calculations. So students, only these 2 examples I will tell. Other examples you will do of your own. Okay. So this was decimal number system to binary number system. In the next video we will learn to convert binary number system to decimal number system. So only this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.